Good morning, students. Probability 18th sum. A box contains 90 dice which are numbered from 1 to 90. So it is given as 90. It is numbered from number 1 to 90. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on till 90. If one dice is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears first subdivision a 2-digit number. Second subdivision, a perfect square number. Third subdivision, a number divisible by 5. So here what are the outcomes given for you? First it is 1 to 90 are the number written in the dice. That is what solution. Total number of outcome is equal to number starts from 1 to 90. So 90 numbers are written. So we are writing that the total number of outcomes as 90. First subdivision, 2-digit number. So how many 2-digit number are there means that is 90 is the total number minus how many 1-digit numbers are there means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 9. So we are subtracting 90 minus 9 which is equal to 81. So how many 2-digit number are there means 81 2-digit numbers are there. Therefore, probability of getting 2-digit number is equal to number of a favorable outcome. Here number of favorable outcome is 2-digit number 81. So 81 divided by total number of possible outcomes 90. So which is equal to 90 by 10 when you are simplifying, when you are simplifying 9 by 10 is the answer. Second subdivision, the number should be a perfect square. From the number 1 to 90, how many perfect squares are there means 1 is the perfect square 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. These are the perfect square numbers. So what is the number of a favorable outcome means when we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are there. So that is perfect square numbers. How many numbers means 9 numbers are there. That is what our favorable outcome. Therefore, probability of getting the perfect square is equal to number of a favorable outcome divided by total number of possible outcome. That is 9 by 90. When you are simplifying, you will get 1 by 10 as the answer. Third subdivision, number divisible by 5. So how many of the numbers divisible by 5 from the digits 1 to 90? So what are the number means I have written all the divisible of a 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, so on till 90. So when you are counting, you will get 18 numbers. That is what number of favorable outcome is equal to 18. That is what number divisible by 5. So therefore probability of getting number divisible by 5 is equal to number of favorable outcome divided by total number of possible outcome. That is 18 by 90. When you are simplifying, you will get 1 by 5 as the answer. 19th sum. 19th sum. A child has a die whose 6 faces shown the letters instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is written as A, B, C, D, E and A. These are the 5 letters written in the dice. One is A, another is B, another is C, D, E, A. These are the 6 faces written with the alphabets. The die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting first subdivision A? Second subdivision D is the alphabet. So what is the total number of outcome? So it is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters are given for you. Therefore, total number of possible outcome is equal to 6. First subdivision, what is the probability of getting A? For in this, how many A's are means here one A is there, here one last and first are A. Therefore, number of favorable outcome is equal to 2. 2 times A are there, so we are writing it as 2. Therefore, probability of getting A is equal to 2 by 6. When you are simplifying, 1 by 3 is the answer. Second subdivision, we are getting the letter D. So, how many D's are there means in the question it is only 1. D is there. So, number of a favorable outcome is equal to 1. Therefore, probability of getting the D is equal to 1 by 6 is the answer. 20th sum. Suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region. This is the rectangular region. I am going to drop the die in this region shown in the figure. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle with a diameter 1 centimeter, and inside the rectangle we have circle and this diameter of the circle is given as 1 meter. what is the probability that the thrown die should lies inside this circle? That is what your question. So here random diameter is given as 1 meter, therefore radius will be half meter only. So I have written radius is equal to half meter. So what is the total? Instead of given as number, total possible outcome is this is what, and the favorable outcome is the circle. That is the region given for you. Rectangle is the possible outcome, and the favorable outcome is inside the circle is the favorable outcome. That is this is circle they are asking. So solution, instead of that numbers, here the areas we have to calculate. Total outcome is equal to area of the rectangle. This is what a total outcome region, that rectangle. So area of the rectangle is equal to formula length into breadth. In the given in the diagram itself, length is 3 meter and breadth is 2 meter. So 3 into 2 is a 6 meter square. Now favorable outcome. What is a favorable outcome? Means this is circular region is the favorable outcome. So area of the circle is equal to pi r square, which is equal to pi. R value is 1 by 2. So we are substituting 1 by 2 the whole square. When you are simplifying this, you will get 4, 1 by 4 when you are squaring, simplifying. So I will get pi by 4 meter square. Now what is that they are asking? Probability of dropping the die inside the circle. That is what your question is equal to number of favorable outcome divided by total outcome. That is pi by 4 divided by 6. It is understood as 1. When I am taking reciprocal, I will get pi by 4 into 1 by 6. When I am multiplying, pi by 24 is the answer. Thank you, children.